flash flood warning for Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina until 6:15 p.m. At 3:6. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina until 6:15 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Elizabethtown, Rowan, Lagoon, Lisbon, Carvers, Emerson, Elkton, Council, Ruskin, Ammon, Kelly, White Oak, Clarkton, White Lake, East Arcadia and Bladen County Hospital. Dangerous flooding from heavy rainfall can be expected, especially near poor drainage areas and other flood-prone locations. It is harder to recognize flood dangers at night, as it will be difficult to determine the depth of the water. Roads may be damaged or washed away. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. If flooding is observed, then turn around. Don't drown. At 7